women are the most peculiar creatures. We are generally one of two types. We are the type that we are the damsel in distress and we need our prince or knight in shining armor to save us, rescue us, and keep us safe from harm and fix all the things and save the world, right? And then there are those of us women who have our prince, knight in shining armor, the one who fixes everything, saves us from the world, and we are fearless. We are strong. We are hard headed. And we will literally do some of the dumbest things just out of the I can do it attitude. I, my friends, am the latter. If you tell me that I cannot do it, I will do it because I'm just that stubborn, hard headed beast of a woman. And every once in a while, I like to be the damsel. But the power plant man has taught me a lot over the years. And he has also given me this um, abundance of belief in myself. So, yesterday, I embarked on a new adventure by changing the capacitor to the air conditioner. No big deal. It worked. It was great. The house was so cool. It was so nice. And I was so excited. So, off to the beauty shop I go today. New hairdo. He calls me. He says, "Did the air conditioner fail?" "Well, no." "Why? Did it fail?" "Well, the house looks like it's getting warmer." "What do you mean the house is getting warmer?" "Well, the house is getting warmer, meaning I bet the air conditioner has failed." Okay. I'll tell you another kind of woman I am. I'm a nurse. And we are the kind of people that literally have no fear. We are the kind of people that would run toward our death, not even realizing it, because we're not afraid of anything. So I said, okay, well, I'll go down there and check it out. I go down, I try to put my little screwdriver in there to spin the fan that is no longer spinning or blowing warm air. And it's like hard to spin. And I'm like, well, that fan's connected to a motor. And that means the motor is, you guessed it, locked up, burned up, done so, splat. I don't know, right? I don't know the technical term. All I know is that dude ain't working. All right, so now here we are. Power plant man is 7.5 hours away. He is not coming to rescue this damsel. So I said, okay, no biggie. I am headed to the parts store. Your girl is replacing the motor. I mean, are we even believing right now? I mean, listen, the toolbox that I need to use is too heavy for my arms to carry. So I have put it onto the mower to drive it down the hill and replace this motor. Now, I don't know if this is going to work, right? The motor is $109, and I see it one of two ways. I can either save us a lot of hundreds of dollars by going and doing this myself. I could cost us an extra $109 if I break this motor trying to put it in, but it's just seems more appealing, I guess, to give it the good old college try, give it the bull by the horns kind of run. Isn't that what we call it, right? Face fear, head on, gonna run toward my own death? I don't know. We're about to see. I think that sometimes ignorance is bliss. Like, I have no idea what I'm getting into. I literally don't even know what I'm doing. But I am not afraid. So, I thought it would be kind of cool to take you guys along for this ride. I mean, like, right, it could be terrible. And here's my opinion on things. People love to watch people fail, and people love to watch people succeed. So I'm either going to really screw this up and you guys are going to get a kick out of it, or I'm going to do it and you're going to be like, what? She just did that. Now, for all you men out there that think that you need to go tell your damsel that she needs to come out here and do it, nope. Don't you be doing that. Don't you be telling your women they need to be doing anything. They will do as they need to do. They're going to run their house and they're going to take care of their husbands and they're going to live their lives the way they want to live their lives. I just happen to be one of those who is not a damsel. And I bet you can imagine how much the power plant man has to put up with because I am not a damsel, because I am bullheaded, fearless, and sometimes just downright mean. All right, well, here we go. I'm also adventurous, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Stay tuned tomorrow, Friday at 5, to find out how this all turns out. And don't forget, subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell so that you'll be alerted to upcoming videos.